depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Dapat nung nakarang araw pa kami gagawa ng video, nagkatamaran ng lahat dito dahil sa sobrang busy namin. Pati yung may-ari ng YouTube na mukhang pera, tamad din mag-edit. Kaya credit sa amin dahil sinipag kami ngayon. At ang video na ito ay inspired sa isang client ko na nag-open ng problem sa akin kanina. Bibihira lang akong makakita ng ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. I know for a fact na napakahirap ng dinanas niya at ito nais kong ituro sa kanya. Na-appreciate ko ang pag-open niya ng problem kaya ginawa kong video na ito to encourage everyone. At the end of the day, we have our own at ang gift ni Lord sa atin ay ang mga free will natin kaya learn to use it for the sake of your family and future as well. Kung tatanungin niyo si Coach Baze, ano nga ba ang dahilan at bakit nagiging successful ako pagdating sa lifestyle? Is it because of my IQ or because of hard working? Isang bagay lamang ang pinaka naging sikreto ko sa buhay to gain success and to earn respect from others. Not my IQ, psychological manipulation game, or else that those things, but one thing lang ang pinaka-pina-priority ko madalas sa buhay ko at walang iba kundi ang pagpili sa sarili kong landas. Walking away. There's no other way but to choose the right path. People nowadays are failing because of believing in something and holding the unnecessary pleasure of life. Anong unnecessary ito? Gaya ng pag-hold nila sa mga excess nila kahit hindi na sila mahal because they want to gain the pleasure of acceptance from their excess. And that specific principle destroying them little by little. Instead of creating a new dimension of reality for their sake or unto their lives, they chose their unrightful action to justify their emotional state of thinking, very irrational and vulnerable. Easy to destroy, to manipulate, to control. Hinahayaan nilang magmukhang mga aso sila or mga monkeys na willing mag-perform for entertainment's sake ng kanilang mga excess or even sa madaming aspect ng kanilang buhay. Sometimes, it will hurt you kapag nag-walk away ka, but through the years, matututunan mo din ang art of the selection. Na imbis na piliin mo maduming path, mas pipiliin mo dapat ang tama sa mali. Isip laban sa puso, pero ang dapat na magwagi parati ay walang iba kundi ang ating mga isipan at kailangan mag-isa ng isip at ng puso. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero sa testimony ko, ang pinaka-paborito kong gift na ibinigay sa akin ng Panginoon ay ang art of walking away. Dahil kapag kaya mo mag-walk away, kaya mo din i-exercise ang free will mo. Dahil hindi sa lahat ng oras ay kailangan mong manatili at lumaban. Ano ka si Bonifacio? Nakasalalay ba ang bansang Pilipinas para lumaban ka sa lahat ng aspeto mo sa buhay? You don't need to rely on anyone. Always learn to carry yourself on your own back because people will drop you quicker than they pick you up. If a person doesn't feel lucky to have you, then you don't deserve him or her. Always remember this, guys. Walk away. It's frustrating sometimes, but can give you a new hope. Don't beg and wait for an opportunity, but instead create an opportunity. Personally, ito ang pinakamasasabi kong masterpiece ko sa buhay. And I love this power dahil ang kakayahang mag-walk away ay binibigyan ako ng power at strength at value. Kaya every time na nasa isang landas ako na alam kong walang kapupuntahan, I always choose the right path. I always choose power. Ito yung lesson na madaling basahin at panoorin pero hindi madaling matutunan. Because it takes time for you to become matured enough to understand the right and wrong. Pero kung i-command mo ang sarili mong soul to eliminate childish behavior, then you can win in all situations. Always remember, my dear, you have free will. You can choose your life anytime. Live. Hindi dahil gusto mong bumalik ang tao na yon sa buhay mo, but live dahil gusto mo lang umalis sa buhay niya. Iba kasi yung walk away gaya ng no contact para ibalik ang isang tao sa buhay mo, doon sa walk away na kaya mo ginagawa ay dahil gusto mo lang. Iba yung may hidden agenda ka na maibalik siya kumpara sa paglisan dahil gusto mo lang. Kaya laging tatandaan, kapag walang rason para manatili, don't invest your time. Go ahead and leave. Huwag mong pagmukhaing aso ang sarili mo na magstay ka sa isang taong hindi feeling blessed na nandyan ka para sa kanya. Mag-walk away ka dahil you are the coolest version of yourself na. I don't want you to play cool, but demonstrate coolness. Work it out, my dear. Don't leave because you want to get back that person, but leave because you want to leave because it's your free will, because you are not fool to stay with that kind of situation. I've been doing this for years and I really love it. Of course, it's so simple to hear pero di ganoon kadaling gawin. But for me, this willpower is a gift from the above to protect myself. Walking away is a weapon. It is your psychological, personal weapon. Do this para ma-protect mo ang future mo at ma-protect ang sarili mo. Kung ayaw, edi alis. Sibat. Huwag ka na mag-aksaya ng panahon na makipag-usap o makipag-negotiate pa sa taong ayaw. Huwag pilit. Kaya Mr. Client, para sa iyo ang video na ito, hindi ko expect na makakarinig ako ng isang sobrang sakit na kwento from you. At naisipan kong gawin ang video na ito after natin mag-usap. It's because I want you to learn na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon you should stay. Though mabuti kang tao, pero it doesn't mean na magpapaabuso ka sa iba. Walking away ay isang talento at art. Learn to do it and you will find your purpose and your reason kung bakit ka nabubuhay. Kung talagang high value ka, then hindi ka kawalan kapag nawala siya. Kundi siya ang kawalan kapag umalis ka. Kapag ramdam nyo na ang tao ay hindi willing na ibigay ang respeto na kailangan nyo, then wag na wag kayong magdadalawang isip na umalis at i-exercise ang authority ninyo. Kung mawala siya, then who cares? Kayang-kayang palitan lagi yan ng mas better at mas may quality. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, magpapakabayani tayo para lumaban dahil it doesn't make sense at all. Ipaglaban dahil mahal? Ano to, comedy bar? One day, someone will love you the way you deserve to be loved and you won't have to fight for it. When there is nothing left to say, lift your head up high, smile, and walk away. However, never walk away from sincere people. When you see some faults, be patient. And realize that nobody's perfect naman talaga. You don't need to use it too much. Just walk away lang if you don't deserve to stay. Well, sa mga gusto humingi ng advice, diretso na kayo sa Facebook page ko. Doon na tayo mag-usap. Thanks for watching.